Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a buy now button on Blogger. First, go to their website blogger.com, then log in with your Google account. Then from your dashboard, select the blog you want to add the button to. Now click on new post to create a new article or open an existing post to edit it. Now you can use a Payable or Stripe or any platform you want. So let's say we use Payable as an example. Then go to Payable website /buttons. Now click buy now and customize. You can give item name, price and currency. Once everything done, Payable will give you an HTML code. Now the fourth step, in your Blogger post, all you have to do is click HTML view on the top left corner. Then paste the buy now button where you want the button to appear. Then for example here we were thinking below a product image or after your descriptions. Now switch back to compose view to preview the button before even applying. Now all you have to do is click publish or update and reseed your blog to test the buy now button. It should take user directly to the Payable or chosen platform for your payment. The bonus tip here is you can also use button for Stripe, Instamojo or Razorpay. And you can style your button using Canva or HTML for a custom look. You can also add images, detail and pricing above the button for a clean layout. I hope this video was helpful. So like this video, don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next video.